Silicon Valley is mining copper now, and it's fully autonomous. Copper is trading at approximately $6.25 per pound today, pulling back from its recent all-time highs. Forecasters see copper averaging around $6.34 for the month of May, climbing to approximately $6.96 by the end of June, and pushing towards $7.39 by late July. This is the Sybertrader Copper update, sponsored by TCU29. TCU29 is a first-of-its-kind RWA copper token, fully collateralized by in-ground, independently verified copper reserves, and pegged directly to the real-time price per pound of copper. By tokenizing real in-ground copper reserves, it gives investors pure copper price correlation, instant liquidity, and long-term intrinsic value, making it a modern and superior hedge against global copper volatility. Learn more at tcu29.io and trade on centralized exchanges Femex or Bitmart. On to the big story. According to a press release reported by Bloomberg, Mariana Minerals, a startup backed by Andreessen Horowitz, has officially restarted copper mining operations at the Copper One mine in southeastern Utah, making history in the process. Copper One is the world's first mine to deploy autonomous tools across all three operational domains: mining, refining, and capital project execution, unified under a single operating system. Mariana acquired the 10,000-acre permitted land package, which includes an existing refining facility, from Lisbon Valley Mining Company in late 2024. The mine previously produced 2,500 tons of copper per year, but Mariana plans to scale output to 50,000 tons of copper cathode annually by 2030, a 20-fold increase. The firm is deploying autonomous haul trucks, drill rigs, and AI-driven operational software as its core production methodology. Mariana has raised $120 million, including a Series A led by Andreessen Horowitz, with participation from Breakthrough Energy Ventures and Khosla Ventures. CEO Turner Caldwell, a former Tesla battery materials executive, puts it plainly: there just hasn't been a lot of mining in the U.S. in the last 50 years because the country doesn't have the people to operate these assets. Andreessen Horowitz also backs Cobalt Metals, which uses AI to identify copper and nickel deposits, and raised $537 million in January 2026 at a $2.96 billion valuation, signaling A16Z is treating domestic critical minerals as a decade-long infrastructure play. The bottom line? Silicon Valley is no longer just building software. It is now digging copper out of the ground with robots, and the race to onshore America's critical mineral supply chain just got very real. That's your Sybertrader Copper update. Like, follow, and subscribe for the latest news on copper.